Hello students, myself Jaya Pathak. Now we are going to learn here about alphabet. Do you know the alphabet? Yes, it has 26 letters. They are A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. These 26 letters have their own sound. Each letter produces different sound. So let's start the sound. This one is capital A and this one is small a. And the sound of A is A. Sound of A is A. And A for apple. A for apple. This one is capital B and this one is a small b. And the sound of B is B. Sound of B is B. And B for bat. B for bat. This one is capital C and this one is a small c. And the sound of C is K. 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 And C for cat. C for cat. This one is capital D and this one is a small d. And the sound of D is D. Sound of D is D. And D for dog. D for dog. Capital E and a small e. Capital E and a small e. And the sound of E is A. Sound of E is A. And E for egg. E for egg. Capital F and a small f. Capital F and a small f. And the sound of F is F. 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 And F for fish. F for fish. This is capital G and this one is small g. And the sound of G is G. Sound of G is G. And G for grapes. G for grapes. Capital H and a small h. Capital H and a small h. And the sound of H is The sound of H is H. And H for hen. H for hen. Capital I and a small I. Capital I and a small I. And the sound of I is E. Sound of I is E. And I for igloo. I for igloo. Capital J and a small j. Capital J and a small j. And the sound of J is J. Sound of J is J. And J for jug. J for jug. Capital K and a small k. Capital K and a small k. And the sound of K is K. Sound of K is K. Sound of K is K. And K for kite. K for kite. Capital L and a small l. Capital L and a small l. And the sound of L is L. Sound of L is L. Sound of L is L. And L for leaf. L for leaf. Now next, capital M and a small m. Capital M and a small m. And the sound of M is M. Sound of M is M. And M for monkey. M for monkey. Capital N and a small n. Capital N and a small n. And the sound of N is N. Sound of N is N. And N for nest. N for nest. Now next, capital O and a small o. Capital O and a small o. And the sound of O is O. Sound of O is O. And O for orange. O for orange. Capital P and a small p. Capital P and a small p. And the sound of P is P. Sound of P is P. And P for pen. P for pen. Capital Q and a small q. Capital Q and a small q. And the sound of Q is Q. Sound of Q is Q. And Q for queen. Q for queen. Capital R and a small r. Capital R and a small r. And the sound of R is R. Sound of R is R. And R for rabbit. R for rabbit. Capital S and a small s. Capital S and a small s. And the sound of S is S. Sound of S is S. And S for socks. S for socks. Capital T and a small t. Capital T and a small t. And the sound of T is T. Sound of T is T. And T for tree. T for tree. Capital U and a small u. Capital U and a small u. And the sound of U is A. Sound of U is A. And U for umbrella. And U for umbrella. Capital V and a small v. Capital V and a small v. And the sound of V is B. Sound of V is B. And V for van. And V for van. Capital W and a small w. Capital W and a small w. And the sound of W is W. Sound of W is W. Sound of W is W. And W for watch. And W for watch. Capital X and a small x. Capital X and a small x. And the sound of X is X. Sound of X is X. Sound of X is X. And X for X-ray. And X for X-ray. Capital Y and a small y. Capital Y and a small y. And the sound of Y is Y. Sound of Y is Y. And Y for yo-yo. And Y for yo-yo. Capital Z and a small z. Capital Z and a small z. And the sound of Z is Z. 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 And Z for zebra. And Z for zebra. And Z for zebra. Let us see all the sound one by one. The sound of A is A. The sound of A is A. The sound of B is B. The sound of B is B. The sound of C is K. The sound of C is K. The sound of D is D. The sound of D is D. The sound of E is E. The sound of E is E. The sound of F is F. The sound of F is F. F. The sound of G is G. The sound of G is G. The sound of H is H. The sound of H is H. The sound of I is E. The sound of I is E. The sound of J is J. The sound of J is J. The sound of K is K. The sound of K is K. The sound of L is L. The sound of L is L. The sound of M is M. The sound of M is M. The sound of N is N. The sound of N is N. The sound of O is O. The sound of O is O. The sound of O is O. The sound of P is P. The sound of P is P. The sound of Q is Q. The sound of Q is Q. The sound of R is R. The sound of R is R. The sound of S is S. The sound of S is S. S. The sound of T is T. The sound of T is T. The sound of U is A. The sound of U is A. The sound of V is V. The sound of V is V. V. The sound of W is W. The sound of W is W. The sound of X is X. The sound of X is X. The sound of Y is Y. The sound of Y is Y. The sound of Z is Z. The sound of Z is Z. The sound of Z is Z. Okay, that's all for this class. So practice all the sound. Rest of the things we will take in next class.